I am making this Ganesha artwork after a long time, so hopefully the drawing will be good. I draw this pencil line very lightly. After 2-3 times of correction, I have got this satisfying result. So don't give up until you're satisfied by your drawing. For this Ganesha artwork, you need some art material. These are paper stamp, 2 charcoal pencils, first is soft and second is medium. And this is the soft pastel, the most important material. I think you should buy a box of 36 shades. The more shades, it's become easier to color the artwork. Just remember one thing, always start coloring from the top of the picture. And soft pastels are very delicate, so don't apply too much pressure on your fingers. Just try to apply the less pressure as you can. First I am coloring the golden crown using the different shades of yellow. And I have made the red stone on the crown. See, I am trying to maintain a same skin color as per the original picture. After coloring with the soft pastel, I smooth this color with my fingertips. Instead of, you can use tissue paper, earbuds or cotton. I will suggest you to smooth your color with your fingertips and keep small cotton cloth with you and clean your fingertips by cotton cloths while smoothing your other color. It saves a lot of time. You just need to follow this process and repeat it again and again. Nothing is difficult. Till then, you enjoy this Ganesha art video and don't forget to try it by yourself. If you never tried this soft pastel before, then don't worry. Make a simple Ganesha drawing and follow this coloring process. I am sure you will definitely create a great artwork. While smoothing a color, at some point our fingertips can't reach in a small areas. So at that time use a paper stamp to smooth these areas. So finally our Ganesha artwork is completed. This is the fixative spray. It protects your artwork from dust and prevent your colors from spreading. Wear the mask, keep 1 feet distance from your artwork and apply vertically and horizontally. I hope you have enjoyed this Ganesha art video. So try it by yourself and share your experience with me in a comment section. And one more thing, this painting is for sale. If anybody interested, then contact me. My contact details are given in the description. Enjoy this Ganesha festival. The Bappa will bless you with the good health and great success. I will come with a new video very soon. Till then, Ganpati Bappa Moria!